Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix if you are lost administrator rights in your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are lost your administrator rights on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you simple steps to get back your administrator rights. So first what you have to do, you have to just click on this start menu, then click on settings, click on the system, come to the right side, here you will find recovery, click on this. In this under recovery option you will find advanced startup, just click on restart now, then your Windows will boot to advanced startup screen. After that you have to just select the troubleshoot option. After clicking the troubleshoot, then you have to select advanced options. After the advanced option you have to select startup settings. After that you will see the Windows some of the options on the screen. On that you have to press F5 to log in to enable safe mode with networking. You have to select this option by pressing the F5, then your PC will restart into safe mode with networking method or safe mode with networking mode. After booting to safe mode with networking, you have to open control panel, click on the search menu and type here control panel. Click on the control panel. In this you need to find user account. Here you will find user account. If you are not seeing this type of screen, you have to change the category from here. Just click on this large icon or you will find category, then you have to just select large icon, then select user account, then click on manage another user account. Here you will find another user, click on that, then click on change the account type. Just by default you can see it is a standard. You have to just select administrator, then click on change account type. After selecting this, just restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can get back your administrator rights on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.